Never thought I'd be so excited to see asphalt, but just climbed. We're thinking 2,500 feet. We made it though.
We did it.
Bushwhacking, no trail. Had to carve out a way up and down. Be curious to see on the Strava how close we came to coming back the same way. We came out at the same spot at the top, but I'll be curious to see about the journey. But you can't even see, you might be able to see the lake, or at least the water line of where the water used to be in the far distance there, or maybe in front of me. But we were all the way down, and a couple hours each way, and it was only like 2 miles. And so crazy terrain, but we made it.